大家好，我的名字是奥斯陆 Stan， 我的中文名字是戚少宇，我15岁了，我是一名2届属于特殊学校2年级的学生。当我在幼儿园的时候，我的很多朋友都打算要在家上学。我开始去学校上学，但我不喜欢它，所以我的父母决定给我家教。从此，我就一直在特殊学校负责的家教，自学家庭学校比普通学校更有灵活性，由于这种灵活性，我完成了很多我喜欢做的事情。这是我的家庭，我的爸爸是一个做雕塑的艺术家，他用粘土做一些雕像。我喜欢和我的爸爸玩棋盘游戏。我母亲教我很多学科，我们也一起看电视节目。他们聊到是就读于加州圣克鲁斯大学的。我的弟弟很好，他是我最好的朋友。我喜欢和他在一起玩棋盘游戏和视频游戏。这是我的狗，它的名字是 Luna。在过去的1年半里，我一直是老师，也是一名学生。我教的学生体育课，我们每星期上2次课。我教他们怎么玩很多游戏。我们踢足球、飞盘、标枪和许多其他的游戏。这是很好的工作经历，并为我的爱好提供了一些资金。So when I learned that I was going to have to find or make a Chinese name for myself, I wasn't really sure where to start. I didn't want to just make up one myself because there was a great chance that it would be a bad name in some way. And I wasn't sure how to go about getting it from either someone else or from some other source. I thought for a while, and I remembered that my great-grandfather was actually from China. So I decided that it might be a good idea to actually adopt his Chinese name. So I contacted my grandmother about this, and she thought it was a great idea. So, but we weren't exactly sure what his name actually was, because all we had was the English pronunciation of Chi Shou Yu and a chop, with a very stylized version of his name in it. So eventually we figured out what the characters were, and I adopted that as my Chinese name. Here are the explanations for the 2 riddles that I made. So the first one starts with, take first the most basic form of that which is often used to describe things which rise and fall forever in an equal manner. Hint, the basic form goes through 0, 0. So I gave a link to the 12 basic pre-calculus functions, and if you looked through that, the only one that satisfied both criteria is the sine equation. So we take sine of x as our basic, multiply this basic form by the number of oxygen atoms present in each molecule as everyone's favorite greenhouse gas. The one that's talked about all the time is CO2, so 2 times sine of x. Then translate upwards by 7 minus the final character in the title of one of the most famous dystopian novels of the 1900s. So there are a bunch of options for this, but one of the most well-known is 1984, and there are actually 2 more clues for that in the sentence. The author's name here, and 1920s to 80s. So 7 minus 4 is 3, so you add 3 to the equation. That gives us this graph here. And then it says, open your book to the page indicated by negative 6.25. So that, if you plug it in, indicates page 3. So we go to page 3. And then it instructs you to look for the pertinent information along the highs and lows of 3.65 to 6.3. If you plug those numbers in, the highs and lows go 2, 1, 4. If you look here, that's how the book describes the third tone, 2, 1, 4. So, third tone. And then if this is followed by the tone at the upper left on page x equals negative 0.5, what tone rule governs it? So, plug that in, you get page 2, ba, first tone. So third tone followed by first tone is the falling half of the third tone followed by the first tone, and that is the answer. So the first clue of the second riddle is, when paired with B, I'm less than overflowing. The answer to that is full, and Mandarin word for that is bao. With the sound most often used to quiet the loud, I'm what sun will do to flesh. So burn, and if you look in the book, eventually you'll find this. And then the last clue, when paired with N, I'm halfway towards making up my mind. So this is much more complicated than the first two. Halfway hints towards it being half of the word. So the first half of the word for mind. So the answer is the compound final AO.